Chapter 3. Editing in Word. Children, you have already learnt about creating, opening, saving and printing Word documents in your previous classes. In this chapter, you will learn the basics of working with text so that you can type, reorganize and edit text in Word. Basic editing tasks include the ability to add, delete and move text as well as the ability to find and replace specific word or phrase. Using the insertion point to add text. The insertion point is the blinking vertical line in the document. It indicates where you can enter text on the page. You can use the insertion point to perform insertion in the document. Bit. Word is an application software which was introduced by Microsoft Corporation. Blank document. When a new blank document opens, the insertion point is located at the top left corner of the page. If you want, you can begin typing from this location. Adding spaces. You can add spaces after a word or in between text by pressing the spacebar key. New paragraph line. Press Enter key on your keyboard to move the insertion point to the next paragraph line. Manual placement. After you have started typing, you can use the mouse to move the insertion point to a specific place in your document. Simply click the location in the text where you want to place it. In a new blank document, you can double-click the mouse to move the insertion point elsewhere on the page. Selecting text. Before applying formatting to text, you will first need to select it. To select the text, follow these steps. Place the insertion point next to the text you want to select. Click the mouse and while holding it, drag your mouse over the text to select it. Release the mouse button. You have selected the text. A highlighted box will appear over the selected text. You can also select the text by using various shortcut methods mentioned in the table below. Selection criteria: word, sentence, paragraph, entire document. Method of selection: double-click the word, hold down the Control key and click anywhere on the sentence. Triple-click anywhere in the paragraph. Press Ctrl plus A keys. Bit. When you select text or images in Word, a hover toolbar with command shortcuts will appear. If the toolbar does not appear at first, try moving the mouse over the selection. Deleting text. There are several ways to delete or remove text which are given below. To delete text to the left of the insertion point, press the backspace key on your keyboard. To delete text to the right of the insertion point, press the delete key on your keyboard. Select the text you want to remove, then press the delete key. If you select text and start typing, the selected text will automatically be deleted and replaced with the new text. Copying and moving text. Word allows you to copy text that is already in your document and paste it to other areas of the document, which can save your time. If there is text you want to move from one area of the document to another, you can cut and paste or drag and drop the text. Copying text. Copying text creates a duplicate of the text. To copy text from one location to another, follow these steps. Select the text you want to copy. Right-click the selected text and select Copy from the appeared sub-menu. Place the insertion point where you want the text to appear. Right-click again and select the Paste command from the appeared sub-menu. Bit. When you right-click in a document to paste, you can choose from 4 options that determine how the text will be formatted. Keep source formatting. Merge, formatting, picture and keep text only. You can hover the mouse over each icon to see what it will look like before you select it. Moving text. You can move the text from one location to another by following these steps. Select the text which you want to move. Right-click the selected text and select Cut from Appeared submenu. Place the insertion point where you want the text to appear. Right-click and select Paste command from the Appeared submenu. The text will appear at new location. Bit. You can press Ctrl plus X to cut, Ctrl plus C to copy, and Ctrl plus V to paste the selected text. You can select the cut, copy or paste commands from the Home tab too. Dragging and dropping text. Dragging and dropping text allows you to use the mouse to move text. To drag and drop text, follow these steps. Select the text which you want to move. Click and drag the text to the location where you want it to appear. The cursor will have a small rectangle under it to indicate that you are moving text. Release the mouse button and the text will appear at new location. Finding and replacing text. When you are working with longer documents, it can be difficult and time-consuming to locate a specific word or phrase. Word allows you to automatically search specified word or phrase in your document using the Find feature and quickly change using the Replace feature. Finding text. To find a particular word, follow these steps. On the Home tab, click on the Find command. The navigator pane will appear on the left side of the screen. Type the text you want to find in the field at the top of the navigation pane. If the text is found in the document, it will be highlighted in yellow and a preview of the results will appear in the navigation pane. If the text appears more than once, choose a review option to review each instance. When an instance is selected, it will highlight in gray. Arrows. Use the arrows to move through the results one at a time. Results previews. Select a result preview to jump directly to the location of a specific result in your document. Crack it. What is the shortcut key to access the Find command from your keyboard? When you have finished, click on the Close button to close the navigation pane. The highlighting will disappear. Replacing text. At times, you may discover that you have made a mistake repeatedly throughout your document, such as misspelled name, or you need to exchange a particular word or phrase with another. You can use Word's Find and Replace feature to quickly make changes. On the Home tab, click on the Replace command. The Find and Replace dialog box will appear. Type the text you want to find in the Find What field. Type the text you want to replace with in the Replace With field. Then click on Find Next. Word will find the first instance of the text and highlight it in gray. Review the text to make sure you want to replace it. Control will jump to the next instance of the text. If you want to replace it, select one of the Replace options. Replace. Click on Replace button to replace individual instances of text. Replace All. Click on Replace All button to replace each instance of the text throughout the document. The selected text will be replaced. When you have done, click Close to close the dialog box. Using Undo and Redo, Repeat. Undo and Redo, Repeat, both commands are located on the Quick Access toolbar. The Undo command is used to revert the last action performed in the document, and the Redo command reverts the action of Undo command. Bit. You can also access the Find and Replace command by pressing Ctrl plus H on your keyboard. Bit. You can also use the key combination Ctrl plus Z for Undo command and Ctrl plus Y for Redo command. Checking spelling and grammar. Word has the facility to check the misspelled words and grammatical errors in the document. The misspelled words are displayed with a single red wavy line beneath them. Grammatical errors are indicated with a double blue underline. To check the spelling and grammar in a document, follow these steps. Right-click on the word with a red wavy line or double blue underline. A shortcut menu will appear with various suggestions. Click on the word with the correct spelling in the suggestions list. The incorrect word will be replaced with the correct spelling in the document. ChapterReview.com. Word is an application software which was introduced by Microsoft Corporation. The insertion point indicates where you can enter text on the page. Press Ctrl+A keys to select the entire document. Copying text creates a duplicate of the text. The mouse can be used to drag and drop text in Word. To delete text to the right of the insertion point, press the delete key on the keyboard.